Hello, Mario! Subdivision Design 31 Templates 2. Since my last video, Templates 1, I have been on quite a journey. I ran the template down the various alignments and then attempted to try and bring them all together and start to look at curb returns and what have you. And what I found was that perhaps that course of action was not the best. So I've now come back to video 30 after doing another 3 or 4 videos which I've posted on YouTube but subsequently turned over to private, and now I'm going to do Templates 2. Now in this video I'm going to create a new template for running from the back of the curb to the boundary, and then I'm going to go forward and run the templates down the various alignments, but this time using a multi-template function and actually taking out the relevant pieces at intersections and cul-de-sac heads. I believe this will be a better course of action and will result, be a cleaner result. So here we go. Let's get to have a look at the bigger picture, and we'll carry on from here. So let's get right down into it. Here it is coming up now for your viewing pleasure. Okay, so this is quite simple. Here is just design templates, and we're going to copy, and I'm just going to copy the road typical template, and I'm going to create a new template which I'm just going to call curb to boundary BDY. So this is just a template that will go from the back of the curb to the boundary, and this will be used for our curb returns and for around the cul-de-sac head and that. So these are in areas where the cross section of the road is atypical or not typical. So design template, create edit, and we'll curb to boundary, and it's just the fixed portion of there, and all it's a matter of doing is just taking off that bit there, which is the portion from the center of the road to the curb, and then we'll apply, draw, and there you can see that it's just this little piece here that goes from the center line will actually be the lip of curb, and then it'll come through the curb, across the berm, the footpath, and the boundary, like that. And then we just apply and finish. The final cut fill little bit will be still the same. Let's have another look at that. What I've got is a cut slope of 1 and 10 and a fill slope of 1 and 10. I've got for a maximum of 100 meters there, so that's all good. Okay, and then we'll just go finish here, and so now we have design templates, project templates, curb to boundary, and road typical. These templates are just the two. They follow the same patterns, but obviously, as you can probably see, you can have a variety of different templates for different types of typical road cross sections. So I've kept everything the same here to keep it simple. However, that's not always the case. All right. Oh, just another thing I've noticed here. What I've done is I have, since that last thing there, I'll just turn on this layer here, which I'm going to call lip of curb. I have added some more information from my previous CAD drawings, in this case here, the lip of curb, and I've added that in. The reasoning will become clear a bit later down the track. I've added that in, but then I've also changed the model. I created a new model called curb returns, which you'll see here. If I just turn the curb lip off, these are the curb returns. So these are the little areas where we'll be having to apply that curb to boundary model, because the cross section of the road isn't typical in these areas due to the obviously the cul-de-sac head and the turning in at the intersections. So this bit of the road here would be typical, but through here it's not. So what we do is we actually run the curb to boundary template down these little curb returns here as alignments to create the boundaries and the strings in these areas. So I've done that. It's fairly simple, just a download and input just of a single layer, or just the information I wanted from my previous CAD drawing. I had possibly had to upgrade the CAD drawing. These lines here are at the lip of curb, so everything's been based on that. So hopefully we can move forward again from here. So cheers, and see you.